Does your website match the Google Business Profile? Exactly. Now, let me tell you what I mean by that. It's not just the structure. It's also your name, your address, your phone number. This is called MAP. Business hours, service area. If there's even a small mismatch, Google starts second guessing you. And once Google doubts you, they won't risk showing you the map pack. Here's an example. Your Google Business Profile address is 700 E Sonterra Boulevard, STE, period 203, San Antonio, Texas, 78216. If your website address is any of these, 700 East Sonterra Boulevard, San Antonio, Texas, 78216, 700 East Sonterra Boulevard, Suite 203, San Antonio, Texas, any of the rest of these. You notice these are all just slightly different from your Google Business Profile address. Then your address on your website is incorrect. Your Google Business Profile address, assuming it's correct, I mean generally correct, it trumps everything. All your website addresses and all your citations, Facebook, Yelp, or anywhere else on the internet has to match the exact address you have in your Google Business Profile. So it has to be the exact same address, letter for letter, number for number, character for character, space for space. It's not just your name, address, and number. It's everything. It's that simple. If your Google Business Profile says one thing and your website says another, Google stops trusting you. But when everything lines up, meta tags, name, address, phone number, hours, they have to be exact same hours. For example, on your website that you start at 10 o'clock on Monday, if your Google Business Profile says you start at 10:30 instead of 9:30, the hours have to match exactly day for day, and they have to have space for space, letter for letter. I don't make this stuff up, guys. I'm just telling you. This is what Google sees a real business does. So it trusts you to put you on the map back.